I'm going to take our carrying bag out of its storage bag. You'll notice that there's a, when you get your carrying bag, you'll notice there's this kind of flat piece in here. This is actually the bottom of the carrying bag. So if you open up the carrying bag like this and flatten it out, you'll see this semi-rigid piece of plastic actually just goes on the bottom of the carrying bag, and it helps give your bike something to rest on, but it also prevents, the C-post that comes out from the bottom, keeps anything from damaging the bottom of the bag, punching through, anything like that. Take this bike and just put it in here, and I'm going to turn this around for you folks. And another thing you'll notice is you'll notice a strap on one side of the bike or of the bag, and that's just designed, think of it as like a seat belt. It's designed to keep the bike from moving around, shifting position. It's not really designed to lock the bike into place in the bag. It's just preventing the bike from moving around or twisting or turning. So I'm going to lift this guy up right here. I'm going to take one of the straps. I'm going to get the other strap here. It's just a standard buckle, and I'm going to buckle and pull. Just kind of make sure the bike is cinched down in there. And then I'm going to take the other side and then just start zipping it closed. Making sure the bike is completely in there. Earlier we showed you the contents of the carry bag, and I have the two straps that your bag comes with. You'll notice one of the straps has a little shoulder pad and the other strap doesn't. It's just the nylon webbing. Before you mount the straps to the bag, let's go ahead and open up the shoulder pad. And then you'll see, it has its own little straps to keep the guide straight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that second strap and we're just gonna put it inside here. And the reason why we're doing that, it's a lot easier to get this inside and set up prior to putting the straps on the bag. So now we've got the two straps, and they're gonna go on each side of the bag. So we're gonna take the first set of hooks and then just click it on and click it on. And now we've got our straps, bags, everything's lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shoulder. I'm gonna get down, put my shoulder through like this. You'll notice the handle that I'm grabbing here, and I'm gonna lift with my legs, not with my back. I'm just gonna go straight up, and that's it. And the handle here gives you a little bit of stability, a little bit of security, so the weight is not just all on your shoulders. Your hand and arm is supporting a little bit of the weight as well. The ZiZZO carrying bag comes with its own storage bag that can be doubled as a backpack. So when you pull the carry bag out, you have your gear, you want to bag up your bike, you can put your helmet in here, you can put a change of clothing, your shoes, whatever you want. This storage bag can double as a backpack for you. Somebody asked is, can you carry things inside besides just the bike while the bike is in there? Sure. Because this is a soft-sided bag, you can throw this inside there if you wanted. There's space in between the two folds of the bike. There's enough room in here to throw in a helmet. If you've got to change your clothes, again, if you put it inside here, you could just stuff this to the side, just like that, and then you can carry everything that you wanted to all at once.